Hey, how's it going, guys? For today's property tour, we are going to be checking out floor plan Frasera, and we are in the southwest of Las Vegas in a brand new community by Storybrick Homes in the community of Maxwell Ridge. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we upload these property tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in the community of Maxwell Ridge by Storybrick Homes here in the southwest end of Las Vegas. In this community, they do have a total of 4 different floor plan, guys. We're only going to be checking out this one because this is the only model home that they have available for us to preview. Check it out real quick. Check out the community. All under construction. So let me give you the details on this one. So this one right here is floor plan Frasera. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2,182 square feet, 2-car garage. And the base price for this one, guys, is $532,995. Keep in mind, guys, that does not include no lot premiums or any upgrades. Here in this community, they're pretty much picking all like the cabinets, the countertops, backsplash, but you will have the opportunity to pick your flooring. And just to give you a rough idea, right now they do have 2 available. One's going for around $570,000, the other one at $575,000. So roughly about, close to even, close to that 40,000 range in additional, with the upgrades and those lot premiums. But not all of them are like that. I would say for the most part, I would add about 20,000 on top of that base price, just on average. HOA here is $60 a month. Like I mentioned earlier, they do have 4 different floor plans available here in this community, and they're only going to be building, not a very big community, guys. They're only going to be building 36 homes total here in this community. So just a quick reference about the community. They do have, they range from 3 to 5 bedrooms, and the starting base price is around $513,000. Also, as of making this tour, they are currently offering 2% towards your closing costs, or to buy down that rate, or right, I can't even speak, buy down that rate. And we're about 20 minutes from the strip, 15 minutes to the airport, and about 15 minutes on downtown Summerlin. So let's get started. Let me show you here. So you will have pavers here in your driveway. There's your 2-car garage. And keep in mind, guys, when you do buy a new construction home, you're gonna get the front landscaping done for you, except the backyard. So let's go inside, take a look at it. Ooh, it's a little chilly and windy here today. There's your gate to go to your backyard. Let's go inside. As you come in, so got that vinyl flooring. And then you got 9-foot ceilings, and then immediately here off to the right, let me show you real quick. They do have some storage stuff here, but you do have your 2-car garage. You also got that tankless water heater. But just wanted to show you real quick. And then also off to the right is a straight shot to go up to the 2nd floor. And then you do have a bedroom downstairs. We'll see that just in a second. First, let me just show you here the living and kitchen area. So right here, you have your dining. Right over here, you have your living room. Let me back up a little so you can get a better view. There it is. And right over here, you do have your kitchen. So this one has the white cabinet, stainless steel handles. Got that nice tile backsplash, granite countertops. Seat, this island seats about 2 people. Get your stove, microwave, refrigerator, and right over here, I'll show you, it's your pantry. Then let me see, right here's you got your dishwasher right here. But I mean, what do you guys think of this this kitchen? Let me know. Let me show you the rest of the house right here. So get a good view. Back up just a bit. There it is. Let me show you the backyard real quick. Let me actually just open it up here because it is locked. And then average lot size here is around 3,300 square feet. And you know, your bigger ones could range, you know, on the 5,000 square feet. I mean, they do have even up to 9,000 square foot for the single story home. So here in this community, and I didn't mention in the beginning, but they do also have a single story. But I'm not gonna talk too much about that single story because they're only actually building 4 in the community, and there's a big wait list for that one. So if you're interested, most likely they're gonna be gone. So we won't really mention that. But on this one right here, you have a covered patio. Nice. Obviously, like I mentioned earlier, you're not gonna get your backyard landscape, guys. This is just strictly for modeling purposes. Here it is. So now let's go back inside and check out that bedroom downstairs, and then we'll go to the second floor. Also, really quick, guys, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe, tap that bell for notification. So there's the agent in there, so I'll just ask for him so I can show you real quick because he is working. So let's go show you that. First, I'll show you the bathroom first. Oh. So here's the bedroom here that's downstairs. Then you have a closet right there. Thank you. Right over here. So you also do have a full bathroom here downstairs. So perfect for whoever is staying in this bedroom downstairs. You have your own shower, toilet, and sink. Single vanity. So now let's go on to the second floor. See. Also, guys, quick thing: if you guys are interested in new construction and you want maybe an agent like myself to represent you and be on your side, it's super important that if you are going to come, guys, that we do come with you on that first visit for representation. So upstairs, this has a loft. So straight ahead, that's your primary. Then you got your laundry room. Then you have the other bedrooms on this side. So first, good size loft. Also upstairs, 8-foot ceilings, the carpet here all throughout. You're gonna have it in just the wet areas like your bathroom and your laundry rooms, but check it out. Small little window. Look how windy it is today. Then you also have linen closet. Perfect. So before we check out the primary, let me show you the bedrooms over here on this side. We'll save the best for last. So here's the second bedroom because we did see that one downstairs. Check it out. And then over here, bedroom number 3. That's your closet right there. Check it out. And look at this, guys. So this one's facing the front. Look how windy it is. Really windy. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to get some drone shots for you guys. It's too windy. The wind will knock down my drone. But here's the hallway bathroom. So only single vanity. I mean, you'd probably have them to get 2, or just like anything I always tell people, there's definitely enough space, or is that something you could even do possibly after closing. And then your prefabricated combination bath, stand-up shower. All right, so now let's go check out the primary bedroom. And then after this, guys, you guys can decide if it's something that works out for you. Look. Primary bedroom, good size, king size bed. I mean, look at that, how much space you still have on the left and right side. Actually, I'm gonna stand over here in this corner to give you guys a view from over here so you guys can get a better perspective of how spacious this primary bedroom is. And over here, so you don't see this too often, guys, where you're able to shut the door to your primary bedroom. A lot of people ask me, like, Romero, how come they don't put a door to the bathrooms? Good question, I don't know. It's the builders are the ones that build them, but I just show it to you. But this one does have a door for that extra privacy, right? So there's your stand-up shower, and then your dual vanity. Toilet, and their primary closet, pretty good size. Look at that, really good size. Show you from here. Well, what do you guys think of this floor plan, guys? Let me know if this is something you guys are interested in, want to come take a look at. I'll have contact info below. Also, if you guys would like more information on the other 3 floor plans that are available, reach out to me and I can send you those details as well. Also, if you guys enjoy this property tour, do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.